So we've got a fish safely in the net. I've had to pull the net back a bit so it doesn't try to get out. Won't be too long sorting stuff out. Camera's good to go. Everything is wetted up and zeroed in. Right, the biggest bit of advice I can give anyone for lifting a fish is always have the belly away from you. Then you can get your arms underneath and pick it up. But another thing as well, I don't know where it comes from, everybody does it. They try to get the fingers round the fin, the front peck. But to me that's just faffing. Just leads to an ugly picture. Your best bet is just grab it there and hold it there. And that just looks so much better. That is better than trying to do that, which puts you off balance in the first place. You're holding the fin out. If the fish flips forward, there's a chance of breaking that fin off. So take it from me, £26 this one, or 26.5 this one should I say.